Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Sade Boo. Now, I just got up this morning. Well, first of all, starting from last night, my mother got hurt. She fell down the stairs. And I'm not really happy about it right now. But she is in the hospital and being taken care of. I'm on my way to this place called David's Bagels to get me some bagels and some cream cheese. It is beautiful and sunny outside. I should have on my shades, but it's okay. My hair, like, y'all, I'm over it. So yeah, so normally what I get from this bagel spot is a raisin bagel toasted with cream cheese.
So do you want to just drive up?
Really good. You gotta be watching it back. You gotta be watching everything. Like, people are freaking nuts in New York City. Oh, gosh. I tell you, businesses open and close here so much. It's ridiculous. Every time I walk past here, it's a new business. At least that's what it feels like. But about to go into David's Bagel. So they have like all kinds of different cream cheeses. The strawberry tastes good. I do love skyline. Those are all the bagels. Yeah. I just came back home. I took my clothes off. It is hot outside. I'm eating my raisin bagel.
I got chicken tenders.
What are you eating? Chicken tenders? They good, boo-boo?
Slay!
Too much. Oh, it tastes so good. But yeah, I was trying to tell y'all, my mom fell down the steps yesterday. Today she's in the hospital. She took an ambulance there. So I wanna wait and see what they're gonna say. Hopefully we just go pick her up when it's time for her to be released. Now I think my mom should come stay here with me because I can help her consistently rather than her being in Staten Island and me going over there every single day. You know, I shall see. But this is good. And I got some iced coffee. Combination. Enjoy my breakfast. You know.
6 hours later.
I just wanted to show you real quick a few things that I got her. Like this hoodie from Old Navy. They had like this 50% off sale. So all of these pieces was really like $10, you could say. Here's another quick little sweater. Got like happy faces all over it. This is really cute. The brown sweater that I showed you actually goes with some pants. I had this dress. She is a girly girl. She loves dresses. Got another sweater, a little zip up. Unzip right here. So it's a pullover. Let me. Okay. So. Also got her these pants. These pants seem to become very popular with the kind of like bell bottom kind of at the bottom. So yeah. And because my daughter is a big girl, these are a size extra large plus. They are baggy on her, but we'll figure out a way, maybe roll the bottom. We got her another pair. These are more like leg and fill. Again, at the bottom, the wide leg. Here goes the pants I was telling you about that go with the brown sweater. She got a little sweatsuit. Got a little heart right here. Yeah. Another pair of pants and like a green. This bottom is like kind of a design here at the bottom. But yeah, some of these. I thought these were really cute. These are kind of like my favorite in them all. I love fun things, fun clothes. So these are really, really cute. They are sweatpants. And some polka dot leggings. Some polka dot leggings. So I have a lot more to do. Well, not a lot. I have some more to do and some sneakers and stuff to get her. And by the way, if you're looking for like deals and stuff for the kids, you can go to Old Navy, Gap Factory, Nordstrom Rack. If you live somewhere where it gets cold and you like to wear Uggs, hunter boots for the rain, all of that good stuff for a good price, go to Nordstrom Rack, because I was looking today and they had some stuff on there. And the hunter boots was like $29 for the kids. The oh Greg, I saw these Uggs on Nordstrom Rack that was on the UGG site for kids. They was like, they're probably like $160, and Nordstrom Rack got them for $80. So I bought my daughter's Uggs from Nordstrom Rack last time. That's where I'll be getting them again. And the sneakers, they Nike sneakers, are like $40, $60. So listen, shop on a budget. If you don't, more power to you. But up or not, budget.
I told you that.
No, because I'm sweating. Feel my forehead, because it's like you be thinking I'm filmy. Feel me. No, don't feel me. No, with your hand.
You know what I'm from here, I know you mean.
What's this? Alright, you guys, like, share, subscribe. I will see y'all in the next vlog.